Actually, what we're going to do is go to Sao Paulo ruins. I filmed this the other day, this alley. Not too far back. Quite recently. So okay, so what we're going to do is just kind of walk in this kind of colonial area. We're going to go to this Sao Paulo ruins, and I think today it's going to be pretty crazy with tourists. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. So we're going to start this right here in front of the Portuguese bookstore. Coming over Macau. Name of this website. People from the mainland, I guess, getting stuff organized that they're going to carry back. And down here we have some pretty cool stuff that we're going to go check out. I've always liked this building. McDonald's in the window over here, which I think is kind of funny. It's like this beautiful colonial. Anyways, so just gonna walk by. What we're gonna do is just kind of check out all these streets. So this street goes all the way up to the Portuguese embassy and much further beyond, and you can see all these kind of pretty cool buildings all the way across, right? As well as these cool looking buildings. So we're going to try to cross over if we can and try to get in this pedestrian area. It's crazy crowded today. I don't even know what that is. It's like feces. Can't be, but it's okay. Daiso, Japan. Craziness. Cool apartments. So we're gonna walk straight down. And I think what we're going to do is go to Sao Paulo ruins. I filmed this the other day, this alley. Not too far back. Quite recently. So okay, so what we're going to do is just kind of walk in this kind of colonial area. We're going to go to this Sao Paulo ruins, and I think today it's going to be pretty crazy with tourists. And I might even take the camera with me. You can see there's a lot of tourists around today, so a lot of people have their umbrellas too, so a lot of people are filming a lot of stuff. So I'm going to be one of many people with this camera. I'm going to hold up the camera high. Okay. Bring up the camera high again. It's basically going to be like this all the way to Sao Paulo ruins, so. And I'm going to be dodging umbrellas as well. So actually I'm just going to go into this little park. And I think I'm going to stop filming for a minute and I'm going to get up to the ruins. But that's basically our plan today, is just kind of walk up this little crazy area. This isn't the best camera for walking with it, so I think we'll call it a day right here, but we can kind of just capture everything. Pretty beautiful park, people always sit around here. And what we're going to do is turn this off in a minute, conclude this video. And I'm just going to go back to this. This is the crowded street I'm going to walk down, and I'm going to stop it, and I'll probably film the next video. Is going to be up in Sao Paulo ruins, and just kind of find myself as a good spot and just kind of people watch. Okay, so going to film Sao Paulo ruins right here. I'm just going to show you this whole sweep of everything. So you can see all the people all the way down. You can see all the crowds of people. And umbrellas too. Okay. Sao Paulo ruins.
Chiquinha, Chiquinha.